Hello and welcome to Safety Facts. I am your host Rylan, and today we will be discussing how to use a screwdriver. Well, actually, we're not going to teach you how to use it. I'm going to show you today how not to use it, as I feel this will be a much more effective method. Alright, so first off, with the screwdriver, you never use it to jab your eye, because that would be a bad idea, or stick it in your ear to clean it out. It usually doesn't work very well. You could use it to pick your nose, but it's kind of sharp and that kind of hurts, so we're not going to do that today. Yes, so this has been Rylan Locke showing you how not to use a screwdriver. Thank you and stay safe.